First launched in 2010, PowerBeats became the best-selling fitness headphones of all time. Now, after relentless testing and evolution, PowerBeats Pro 2 is ready for action. The perfect fitness headphones start with the perfect fit. Over 1,500 hours of rigorous testing ensure they stay locked in, even for the world's greatest athletes. Now, 20% lighter with a nickel titanium alloy ear hook, they offer unbeatable grip, comfort, and flexibility. Unmatched sound performance. PowerBeats Pro 2 features adaptive EQ for truly personalized sound, ensuring every beat fuels your workout. For the first time ever, we've added active noise cancelling to PowerBeats, our best noise cancellation yet. Need awareness? Transparency mode keeps you tuned in to your surroundings. PowerBeats Pro 2 is our first ever product with heart rate monitoring. Precision-crafted LED sensors pulse light over 100 times per second, tracking your performance in real time and syncing with your favorite fitness apps. Train longer. With up to 45 hours of total battery life, you're always powered up. Plus, we made the case 33% smaller, now with wireless charging for ultimate convenience. Sweatproof, water-resistant, IPX4 rated, built to withstand your toughest workouts. Control your music your way with intuitive buttons or hands-free voice commands. Unbeatable fit, active noise cancelling, heart rate monitoring, 45 hours of power. PowerBeats Pro 2, everything you need to train harder. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks.